once the tomatoes start ripening on the vine, bruschetta is one of our favorite dishes. It's so simple. Garlic bread topped with tomatoes, basil, salt, and pepper. Once the tomatoes are diced up, get a little basil in there. Then you're going to top it with just a touch of salt and pepper. This recipe just doesn't take much for the amazing flavor it gives. It's nice to cut basil with the scissors because it makes it easier than with a knife. And you can cut it straight into the bowl. And that is probably enough. Touch of salt. So you want to get butter put onto the bread, and I sometimes use margarine, but today I'm using butter. Next, you want to put on the garlic salt.
If you have tomatoes growing in your garden, or if you can get some from the farmer's market, you should try bruschetta. We look forward to it every summer. And after you try it, you're going to look forward to it too.
Subscribe to my channel if you'd like to learn some more cooking tips, shopping tips, and how to make cooking at home more enjoyable for you and your family members.